Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a fresh and clean face because I'm doing a makeup challenge. And I'm collaborating with model, actress and creative Nina.
Hey guys, I'm Nina J. I'm a fashion lover, actress and makeup enthusiast. Today myself and Daniela Martins are doing a makeup challenge collaboration.
This challenge consists...
Hold up, wait a minute.
I wanted to say challenge, okay? Picking each other's makeup. For me, she decided that I need to use the color yellow and some face gems. And I decided that she needs to use the color purple and do a drawing on her face. I don't know how this is gonna go, but let's see what this is going to turn into. First, I was trying to show the product, but what am I doing with my hands? Anyways, apply the concealer in your eyes and use a small SpongeBob to blend everything. Morphe. This is like one of my favorite palettes for sure. It has all the bright colors. All the bright. Wait, why am I talking so much? No one actually cares. Colors. Literally, this is like heaven. Get a brush and dip it into yellow. And apply it above the crease. Yellow, 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 yellow. Yachty lady, yachty lady, yachty lady.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, let's forget about that. Apply the concealer into a brush and cut the crease with the concealer. Get a flat brush and set the crease with setting powder or a light to nude eyeshadow. If you want, take white eyeliner and draw a flower next to the corner of your eye. Prime the rest of your face with a primer appropriate for your skin type. Apply your foundation. And then your concealer. I feel like everyone knows all of the rest, so I think I'm just gonna shut up. The gems are gonna fall from your tweezers like 100 times, but don't worry, just keep pressing it and some of them will stick. Yeah, I'm this dumb that I contoured my face after I put the gems, so obviously some of them fell off. And then I used the eyeshadow yellow and turned it into blush, and once again, more gems fell off.
Ta-da!
One, two, three.
Oh my god, girl!
You look like you're from The Incredibles, but
I know, like, yeah.
you're gonna fight for the world. Equality.
Indeed. Thanks guys for watching. This is our final look. So for Daniela, I chose the color yellow and the gems. And for me, she chose the theme spring and purple. And this is what we came up with.
I hope you guys
liked
enjoyed it.
Yeah. If you guys do like it and you want to see more from us, let us know. Comment down below, like the post, share.
Everything.
Give us a thumbs up. Everything.
Tell your friends.
Tell your
Tell your
friends.
parents. Tell everyone.
Tell your mama, tell your granddad, your auntie, uncle, cousins.
So guys, this was the final look. Please go to Nina's channel to see how she did that butterfly because it really blew my mind away. This was the look with the yellow and the gems. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, just like, subscribe, and share, all of that. And if you guys want more collaborations with me and Nina or with anyone else, please just let me know in the comments and I'm gonna try to arrange something. See you guys in another video. Bye.